Good morning. It's Tuesday, 14th of May, and it is Vijay here talking to you about the market commentary for the day and covering what happened yesterday. Please note, I'm not a SEBI registered advisor, so kindly take any decisions on your own. Whatever stocks I talk about is only for academic purposes. If you like the commentary, kindly like, share, and subscribe. So, the title of today's talk is Who Will Set the Trend? So, yesterday was a day which was extraordinarily volatile. The Nifty moved about 300 points during the day from the low to the high. That was the range. And the Bank Nifty moved 900 points from the low to the high. Bank Nifty did very well. It closed 333 points higher, and Nifty closed about 48 points higher. In the sectoral indices, autos did not do so well, PSUs did not do so well, PSEs did not do so well. But on the other hand, the FMCG did well, the pharma did very well, and capital goods did very well because of Siemens, ABB, BHEL, and the like. So today, and another thing was that the other indices, apart from these sectoral indices, were consumer durables, which did quite well. Autos did not do well. That was another index which did not do well. And small caps struggled, micro caps struggled, whereas the large caps were okay. Now, in terms of institutional interest, yesterday FIS came back with more of selling, about 4,500 crores, and DIS tried to match them with about 3,500 crores buying. I think the statement by the Home Minister geared up the DIS to support the market at lower levels. So, in terms of technicals, yesterday's lows will be very important, and the Friday's highs will be important. So I think that those are the numbers to look forward to see which direction it will go. Now, yesterday the elections are over, and it was what I call a deja vu because the last three phases the turnover was low, especially in the urban areas. Yesterday too, overall we had a reasonably good turnout, but lower than last time. And very low in urban areas like Pune, for instance, I think had just about 50-51%. Hyderabad also had around the same time. At one point of time, it was just about 35%. I think the final numbers probably will push it above 45 to 50%. So, because it's a 3-day holiday, I think the urbanites who talk heavily on Twitter, WhatsApp, and all that on issues, but when it comes to voting, I think they all just move on for a 3-day weekend. Unfortunately, the next phase also is on a 3-day weekend, which is on Monday. So, you will see this kind of a trend going through, I suppose. So this is an election which is devoid of really any great interest in terms of any wave. So one has to discern as to which way the wind is blowing. By only we have what commentators talk about, and they could all be biased. And we also have to look at what the markets are talking about, and not worry about Satta market, which everybody is looking at, which is highly manipulated as past history has shown. So yesterday, one of my favorite stocks and which we hold, Piramal Pharma did very well. Of course, it got sold off from the highs, but that is a stock which I will continue to hold and add on all declines. And in terms of other stocks, Biocon is my favorite, and I keep repeating it here. That should do well because I think in the next 2 days you have the results. So Pharma Index did very well yesterday. Lupin hit an all-time high. So I think the best place to be in this uncertainty should be pharma, as per my analysis. Now, if you look at what happened in global markets, US was volatile with very low volume. Incidentally, S&P 500 had one of the lowest volumes in a very long time. It closed flat. Dow closed about 90 points down, whereas Nasdaq got a gain of about 45 points. Opening today, Nikkei opened bright, but then it has been selling off from minute one. Hang Seng is almost flat with about 45 point rally, 45 point plus at this point of time. Precious metals, again, my favorite, silver is now flirting with its very strong resistance of $28.3. The moment it starts trading above that and it goes to 29, then we should see a blast off for silver. Gold also is consolidating. Same thing with the oil, dollar. There are no special news on the geopolitical front, so everything is just within a range. So today I am expecting both the BTFD as well as the SOS to get whatever for intraday. I think you can make money both ways. So whatever you do, please do it carefully, cautiously, and hope you have a lovely trading day. Thank you for listening to